When I look, the first thing I see my veranda tear down. When I look and see my veranda tear down, I see start pull my living hall. And I look and see the whole place start tear. Me run out. Me allow have my grandson in with me. Me run left him and my daughter 3 months pregnant. Me run cause me tell him I never experienced something like this. And when I look, me see my grandson they run behind me and my daughter run behind me. And I go over my nether son one room and we in there. Me hear something they whistle like a somebody they call and me say somebody they call but we take a stop. No one now call we. I the win and me did it and see me son. Everything start shell down off and my son me have to go on at the bed bottom. The mattress when up on the bed so he get heavy. Me can't lift up and me lay down under them me and my daughter with him belly in 3 months pregnant. Lie down on my side and under there the water and they tell God say God hold her and me and my daughter. We say hold my hand. And me there me start cry.
So your home was badly damaged. So where are you staying now?
Me still, me still, me still,
It's okay. Take your time. Take your time.
me still they said place. But most I tear down. So when my big son did it, I see the stress me under. And my 2 foot them when swell so till them come like they go burst cause I like in our Eddie wagon, my car, 4 way of in there. So when I look and see, me in the 5 night, 5 night me sleep in the car. And we did it. Now have no clothes, nothing to eat. And we just did it. And when me look and see how my foot them swell, my son say, you have to go do something for me. And he did it and tack up, so till me can go in a somewhere for me lie down better cause my 2 foot them just a swell go on so I can't stop and I draw down because I not get no comfortable sleep.
So what?
Not there, me there right now. But me did it right now, but me still not me still traumatized because rat didn't kill me at night time because the whole community we start me there cheer down said we